भारत अर्जेंटिना सारखेल्या पेजाद टीमीक फुटबॉलात हरोवंक शकतलो अशें कोणे सपनांतूय चिंतूंक नासतलें। अंडर 20 टीमीन हालींच स्पेनांतल्या टुर्नामेंटात हें अजाप करून दाखयलां। दुसरे वटेन जॉर्डनांत अंडर 16 एक्सपोजर टुरांत भारतान आशियाई दिग्गज पंगड इराकाक हारयले। दोनूय रिजल्ट भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघ आनी स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटीक थाकाय दिवपाचे। उद्या ते भारतीय पंगडाच्या एक्सपोजराचेर फाटलीं 2 वर्सां ह्या ऑथॉरिटीनी 20 कोटी मोडल्यात। म्हापश्या पेड्या जिमखानाचो आधुनीक जिम उक्तो जालो। उक्तावणाक गोवा बॉक्सिंग संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष रोहन खंवटे आनी स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी गोवाचो कोचिंग सहसंचालक ब्रुनो कुतिनो आशिल्लो। येता त्या काळात इंटरनॅशनल बॉक्सिंग रिंग उबारतले, तशेंच बॉक्सिंग हॉलाचे आनी लागसारचे सुवातीचे रिपेरिंग जातले। पेडे जिमखान्यांत बॉक्सिंग अकादमी सुरू जाल्या।
We have spoken to the individuals concerned in the department. One of the most important thing was convincing the government, which I am a part of, and I think Babu Asgaonkar, our sports minister, has played quite an important role, understanding the sentiments, the importance of getting these things right. SAG has immediately reverted with what you see today. All the vice presidents, the coaches have been working differently in their fields, whether it is from the marketing perspective or from the coaching perspective, to see that you get the backup. At the end of the day, the smile on all of us will lie on the success stories you give us. And the success stories you all make, the infrastructure what you need, the academy what you needed has come in today. The coaches have been putting a lot of efforts in the last couple of years. We need to structure them, we need to put these certain things right. And I think whatever they have been doing, a smile on a coach's face is when his student gets a medal for himself, where the medal is not only for him, the medal is for the state. And when you make the state proud, I think that is the pride we all girls can carry. The national games are about 6-7 months ahead or 8 months down the line. We have enough time to plan, we have enough time to achieve, and no success comes overnight. So we can build a lot of success stories. 7-8 months of the national games is a challenge to all of you all. I'm pretty sure the coaches will work all the way out to see that you guys deliver to what we expect you to.
Whenever association access their services, they are ready for all their duties. With the help of their president, Lenny is the main guy who is after you all. If he is not shouting, they will not come. If the students, he is the main boss over here. With him, with Rohan, with SAG, we have given you all. First and foremost, we should thank the government that you all have got a boxing academy. You all have got an individual gym and a boxing ring. Order has just gone yesterday and it will come within 15 to 20 days or at the most 20 days.
आमचे गोवा बॉक्सिंग हॉलान आमची अकॅडमी कॉमर्स जाता म्हणून एसएजीन आमकां आतां बाजो दिल्यो रेजिडेंट बॉक्सिंग अकॅडमीक आनी आतां जिम इक्विपमेंट हाडलो. बेगीनचे बेगीन बॉक्सिंग रिंग येतले आनी फर्निचर येतली आनी आमी आतां नॅशनल गेमीची तयारी करतले. फुडल्या वर्सांतल्यान 12 भुरगीं आमचे रेजिडेंट बॉक्सिंग अकॅडमीन आसतले आनी आमी गॅरंटी दिता की आतां आमी नॅशनल चॅम्पियननी इंटरनॅशनल मेडलिस्ट करतले.
ह्या बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. खबर तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.